If Earth's core were to suddenly cool down, the consequences would be catastrophic for the planet and life as we know it. The core plays a crucial role in maintaining Earth's magnetic field, plate tectonics, and overall geodynamic activity. Here's a detailed breakdown of what would happen if it suddenly cooled down. Loss of the geodynamo and magnetic field. Earth's outer core is composed of liquid iron and nickel, which moves due to convection currents driven by heat from the inner core. This movement generates Earth's magnetic field through a process called the geodynamo. If the core cooled down, convection would stop, and Earth's magnetic field would gradually weaken and disappear. Consequences of losing the magnetic field. Increased solar radiation. The magnetic field protects Earth from harmful solar and cosmic radiation. Without it, solar winds would strip away the ozone layer, leading to increased UV radiation reaching the surface. Disrupted electronics and communication. The loss of the magnetic field would expose Earth to more solar storms, potentially damaging satellites, power grids, and electronic devices. Gradual atmospheric loss. Over millions of years, solar winds would slowly strip away Earth's atmosphere, making it thinner, similar to what happened on Mars. Cessation of plate tectonics. The core's heat drives mantle convection, which is responsible for plate tectonics, the movement of Earth's crustal plates. If the core cooled down, convection currents would cease, and plate tectonics would eventually stop. Consequences of stopping plate tectonics. No more earthquakes and volcanoes. While this may seem like a benefit, it would actually be devastating. Volcanoes release gases like carbon dioxide and water vapor, which are essential for maintaining Earth's climate. Mountains would stop forming and start eroding. Over millions of years, without new mountain formation from tectonic activity, mountains would erode away, leaving Earth flatter. Climate disruptions. Plate tectonics plays a role in regulating Earth's carbon cycle. Without it, carbon dioxide would gradually become trapped in rocks, leading to a global cooling effect similar to Snowball Earth, where the planet might become entirely frozen. Cooling of the mantle and surface effects. The mantle, which sits above the core, relies on heat from the core to maintain its partially molten state. If the core cooled, the mantle would also cool, becoming more rigid and static. Consequences. No more new land formation. Volcanic islands like Hawaii and Iceland, which form due to mantle plumes, would cease to grow. Subduction and recycling of Earth's crust would stop. Without mantle convection, old oceanic crust wouldn't be recycled, leading to an imbalance in Earth's geology. The cooling of the core would lead to major climatic changes over time. Since plate tectonics and volcanic activity contribute to the carbon cycle, their cessation could lead to several significant impacts. First, the cooling of Earth's atmosphere. With less carbon dioxide being released, the greenhouse effect would be reduced, resulting in a colder Earth. Next, ocean currents would change. Tectonic activity shapes ocean basins and influences ocean currents, which help regulate global temperatures. Without it, climate patterns would shift unpredictably. Finally, mass extinctions. Life depends on Earth's geological processes. A sudden core cooling would disrupt ecosystems, leading to mass extinctions, especially for deep-sea organisms reliant on hydrothermal vents. Over millions to billions of years, Earth might end up resembling Mars, which lost its magnetic field long ago due to core cooling. The atmosphere would thin out due to solar wind erosion. With no volcanic activity, carbon cycling would halt, leading to either an ice-covered Earth or an extremely arid, barren world. A sudden cooling of Earth's core would have devastating consequences for the planet. It would lead to the loss of the magnetic field, stopping plate tectonics, disrupting the carbon cycle, and causing extreme climate changes. In the long term, Earth could become a lifeless, barren world like Mars. While core cooling is a natural process that happens over billions of years, a sudden or rapid cooling scenario would be catastrophic.